Do you need your spouse, a family member, or a business partner to have full access to your region's bank account? Adding another person as a joint owner to your bank account is a common need, whether you're merging finances, helping a loved one, or ensuring a partner can handle shared expenses. But bank processes can be tricky. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to add a joint owner to your existing personal checking or savings account with Regions Bank, covering the requirements, the necessary documents, and the simple step you must take. First, let's be clear about the role you're adding. With Regions Bank, adding a person to a personal account usually means adding a joint owner. This isn't just an authorized signer or a cardholder. A joint owner has equal access to the funds, can make deposits and withdrawals, write checks, and even close the account entirely. It's a big deal, so make sure you're ready for that level of shared control. The process itself is straightforward, but it requires a face-to-face meeting. The golden rule: you must visit a branch. Unlike a few simple banking tasks you can do online, adding a joint owner to an existing Regions account requires both you, the primary account holder, and the person you are adding to be physically present at a Regions Bank branch. This is a crucial security step to verify identities and obtain all necessary signatures. So, before you leave the house, here's a quick checklist of what you need to bring. First, for both of you, you'll both need to bring your Social Security number or taxpayer identification number and your date of birth. Second, the required ID. Both of you must bring one or more forms of valid, unexpired government-issued photo identification. This typically means a driver's license, U.S. passport, or a state-issued ID. The bank staff will need to verify the identity of the new joint owner, collect their information, and have both of you sign the updated account agreement, making the change legally binding. Once you're at the branch, the process is simple. You'll let the banker know you want to add a joint owner, provide the required documents, fill out the new signature card, and in a matter of minutes, the new person will have full access to the account. They may even be issued a debit card right there on the spot. A quick note: if you are setting up a business account, the process is slightly different and may be managed through the Manage Users feature in Regions Online Banking for Business, which focuses on managing user permissions. But for personal accounts, the branch visit is non-negotiable. So, lock in the appointment, grab your joint owner, and make sure those IDs are ready. Once you complete that simple branch visit, you'll have successfully expanded access to your Regions account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.